Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see the solution for palindrome number. If you have watched the last two number of counting the digit in a number and reversing an integer, this will be super easy for you. So let's get started. When I say palindrome number, that means if my number is, suppose, 6, and we reverse this number, this is not same as what we have written here, right? So this is not a palindrome number. And if I just give 8 here and then try to reverse this number, this becomes 8778. So these two are basically the same number, even if read from the front or back. So if these two values are same, we say that this is a palindrome number. Let's understand how we are going to solve this question. The very first thing that we are going to do here would be dividing the number by 10 in order to get a remainder. Okay, by remainder, we are going to get the last digit and we are going to store it in a integer called reverse or something. Okay, and once we do this for all the digit in the number, we're going to compare this both numbers, right? This number and the original number, right? And so let's try to see a solution for this. For the very first thing, we're going to define a variable called reverse is equals to 0. We're going to run a loop. This loop is going to run till n is greater than 0, right? Inside of this loop, we are going to find out the remainder. So num divided modulo 10. This is how we get the last digit. And this remainder is going to be stored in this variable called reverse, right? In the first iteration, the reverse will be 8. But when it comes to the second iteration, it becomes 8 plus 7, being 15. This is not what we want. So in order to get rid of this and in order to get the value as 7, 8, 7, and so on, we need to multiply it by 10. I have explained this properly in the last video. You can watch that video. It will be really helpful. The next step will be modifying this number now. Since we have already gotten this last digit, in order to get this number as 877, we are going to make it as num divided by 10. And in order to get the solid value, we are going to take help of math.loop. Okay. Now, once the loop is completed, we need to compare this reverse with this original number. But since we have modified this original number all the time, at every iteration, this number is not the same anymore. So for solving that problem, we are going to take a num copy of this existing number, and we are not going to use this num copy in the operations. We are simply going to use it while we are comparing. So if num copy is equals to reverse, we are going to consider it as palindrome. And in case these two values are not equal, we are going to just print it as not a palindrome. Let us run this file and see what we get. We get it as palindrome for 8778, and for 8776 we get not a palindrome. So yes, this was the solution for this question. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.